The simplest way to brand your video is to add a logo, and I'm about to show you how simple it is with WP Stream. I'm Beatrice, and I've been helping content creators with video streaming for over 5 years. Now I'm going to my WordPress admin and going to WP Stream recordings. Here you'll find, well, I'm finding previous recordings from my live streams, but I can also upload a video. What I'm doing right now is exactly that. And here is my newly uploaded file, and I can choose to either create a free to view video on demand or a pay-per-view video on demand. And I'm doing a free to view video on demand for now. So I'm just adding a title, a description, some images. I can also add a video trailer if I want. I can add a video preview, so that's when you hover over the video and there's a preview of the video playing. And once I've done that, I've just published my video. So after publishing, I can click on this link over here and it will take me to my video. So when it first opens, you can see the trailer playing because I've added a trailer. There's a chat on the right-hand side. You can check out one of our other videos to see how I've added this. And here is my video without a logo. So to add a logo, go back to WP Stream and go to Settings. Under General Options, I will scroll to the bottom and here you can upload a logo. So I've already uploaded earlier. So here is my logo and I can choose where I want to place this logo. So for example, top left. And if I go back and refresh, this is how my logo appears on my video. And this will be available. So if you add it here, it will be available across your website for every single live stream and video on demand. The same thing works for live streams. And I've added another video previously that you can check out on how I did it for live streams. But it's the same exact thing. I'm just showing you that it also works for videos as well. So I've just run you through everything on the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and things like that, and how the logo appears. That is basically it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know, what is one thing you're doing in 2026 to add branding to your website?